everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all of you who are new here, I'm Tanya. I came to Canada as an international student and now I'm working over here full time. So as you guys can see, it is a pretty windy day today, but still the weather is quite pleasant. So I thought let's make a few videos outside before I have to completely switch my video recording to being indoor क्योंकि थोड़े टाइम में ठंड बहुत बढ़ जाएगी. So enjoy this beautiful weather and enjoy my backyard for some time. So the topic that we are going to discuss today is an exam which is mandatory and which is the most important exam that you need to give if you're planning to come to Canada or planning to study anywhere abroad. So we are going to be talking about the IELTS exam today. IELTS is an English proficiency exam जो आपको देनी होती है if you're planning to come to any English speaking country. So basically they try to analyze कि आपको कितनी English आती है and if you're fit enough, if you know English enough कि आप उस country में survive कर पाएँ. So ये mandatory है and आपको ये देना ही देना है. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System and this is one option that you can give to test your English proficiency. There are other options as well जैसे आप TOEFL दे सकते हो, आप CELPIP दे सकते हो. So there are other options as well, but IELTS सबसे common है and मैंने भी IELTS दिया था. So that is why we're going to be talking about IELTS exam today. So basically IELTS exam जो होता है that is divided into 4 parts जिससे वो आपकी English test करते हैं. So those 4 parts are listening, reading, writing and speaking. So ये चारों का टेस्ट होता है and they grade you with 9 bands in each of these tests and the higher you get the better your English is. So I gave the IELTS academic exam when I was planning to come to Canada and I got 8 bands. Now you might be wondering कि it is an English exam and most of us have learned basic English, so how difficult could it be? So guys, IELTS is not that difficult to give, but still even though we know English, that is not our first language of communication and most of us don't speak in that language so often. So हो सकता है कि आप इस language में इतने fluent ना हो, which is why I would recommend कि थोड़ी practice ज़रूरी है. And second thing is, even if you know the language, ये जो test है इसका structure थोड़ा अलग होता है. So it is good to be well aware of the structure and know what's going to come your way when you give that exam. So I'm just recommending कि आप थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई कर लीजिए before jumping into the exam. So don't worry guys, I'm not trying to scare you. It is still a pretty exam, easy to pass. I will also share a few tips and tricks and resources which you can be using to study for your IELTS exam and excel in it. So talking about a few things that I did in order to practice for IELTS, one thing that I did a lot was मैंने बहुत सारे mock tests दिए थे. So mock test देने से क्या हुआ? I knew what kind of questions would be coming in that exam and कैसा टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर होता है, how much time would I need in each of that question. So I was well prepared and I wasn't nervous when I was giving that exam. So give a lot of mock tests. Another thing, मैंने IELTS के लिए एक short term class लिया था. So what happens is these professors that take these classes have been doing it for years and they have a few tips and tricks which will help you score better and which will help you make that exam so much easier. So I would recommend कि आप एक छोटा सा क्लास ले लीजिए, a short term class जिसमें आप थोड़े tips and tricks सीख लीजिए and it won't take a lot of time but it will help you a lot and आपके score बहुत improve हो जाएंगे. One class that I really liked is the Leap Scholar IELTS classes. The reason I like it is because they are a one-stop solution for all of your IELTS needs. Plus, they are completely virtual, so you don't have to worry about going anywhere and you can take these classes at your own convenience. And even though the classes are virtual, they are live, so you can get your doubts solved in real time. Along with that, they also have so many mock tests and study material which you can access. So you can keep studying till you feel prepared and you can keep giving mock tests jab tak you get the score that you're aiming for. Another thing that I really like about them is that they have speaking rooms. So speaking rooms is basically where you can practice speaking English with your friends or with people from your classes. आप शायद अकेले practice करने में बोर हो जाओगे and you will find it weird to practice something to yourself in the mirror, speaking to yourself in the mirror. It could be weird. But you can get into the speaking room and practice with your friends or with people from your classes. This could also be a great opportunity to network with future students who are also going to be in Canada and you might even make some new friends. So I really like that feature. Plus the best part is that they have a lot of free sessions which you can attend and along with that their paid classes start from Indian rupees 49. So it is a pretty reasonable amount for the kind of knowledge that you will be getting. And there are over 1 lakh people right now who have joined in the Leap Scholar IELTS classes. So I really suggest you use and take advantage of this opportunity and sign up. If you want to sign up, then I have a link in my description and you can get started with your IELTS learning right now and score the bands that you want. So guys, now let's get into details of each session of the IELTS exam. So 4 सेशन होते हैं, उसमें से रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग इन दोनों में 40 क्वेश्चंस ईच होते हैं एंड दे आर मार्क एग्जैक्टली कि आपने एक क्वेश्चन राइट लिखा तो यू गेट 1 मार्क एंड इट इज़ स्कोर्ड विथ 40 मार्क्स. जो लिसनिंग होता है वो अराउंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 30 मिनट्स का होता है, प्लस यू गेट 10 मिनट्स टू ट्रांसफर योर आंसर्स. वेराज रीडिंग में 40 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं एंड देयर आर 3 पैसेजेस जिसमें 40 क्वेश्चंस डिवाइडेड होते हैं and you get 60 minutes to solve this. So these both are pretty straightforward and अगर आप कोई mock test भी कर रहे हो तो it's so easy to check कि आपने correct answer दिया है कि wrong, because the answers would be right there and it's pretty straightforward, like one word answers ही होते हैं usually. Now writing is आपको 2 passages लिखने होते हैं 60 minutes में. One is a short passage and one is a more longer descriptive passage. तो ये दोनों आपको 60 minutes में लिखने होते हैं. Now this might be a little difficult to grade by yourself क्योंकि आपको आपने जो लिखा है वो शायद अच्छा ही लगे. So try to get it graded from someone you know who's good at English or maybe a professor if you're taking classes. That's about writing. And then speaking exam जो होता है वो 10-15 मिनट का एग्ज़ाम होता है where you talk to someone live in person and वो आपसे questions पूछता है which you answer. So this speaking exam is usually held on a different date from your other IELTS exam. So basically आपकी 3 घंटे की अप्रॉक्सीमेटली एग्ज़ाम होगी जिसमें होगा आपका लिसनिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग एंड देन एक सेपरेट डे पे आपका अराउंड 15-20 मिनट्स की एग्ज़ाम होगी जिसमें यू आर जस्ट स्पीकिंग टू द एग्जामिनर एंड वो आपकी उसमें प्रोफिशिएंसी चेक कर रहा होगा. So writing and speaking are a little subjective and which is why I used to find them a little difficult क्योंकि you don't know how much you're going to score. It depends on the examiner वो आपको कैसे मार्क्स दे. So yeah, it depends on the examiner, but we just need to make sure that we give the best that we can. So now let's talk about the types of IELTS exams. So IELTS के 2 टाइप होते हैं, एक होता है academic और एक होता है general. So academic is for most of you guys जो यहाँ पे student visa पर आएंगे as students in Canada. मैंने भी IELTS academic दिया था when I came to Canada and now soon I will give my general IELTS because that is the exam that you need to give if you're not coming to Canada to study and your purpose of giving it is different. So ये 2 होते हैं. For students you just need to focus on academic IELTS and academic IELTS में भी आप 2 टाइप हैं. So one is the written one. So basically आप पेन और पेपर के साथ लिखेंगे and the other one is computer based. So depending on how you find it convenient आप choose कर सकते हैं. जैसे a lot of people feel that their typing speed is faster तो आप computer test ले सकते हैं. If you feel like your handwriting is too bad then maybe आप computer test लीजिए. Whereas writing is good for people who like marking stuff in their paper and they feel like writing would make it easier for them. So it's completely your choice. And ये जो टेस्ट होती है इसकी वैलिडिटी होती है 2 years की. So अगर आप आज टेस्ट देते हैं एंड आप 1 साल तक कनाडा पढ़ने नहीं जा पाए, डोंट वरी, the next year also the test would be valid and you can apply to Canada depending on those test scores. And also if suppose आपने टेस्ट दिया and you're not very happy with the score that you got, you don't have to worry about it. आप reapply कर सकते हैं उसी टेस्ट पे and your new score can be counted as your final score. So you can take as many attempts as you want till you get your desired score. However, I wouldn't recommend कि आप ये कीजिए because it is a little expensive to give the IELTS exam. Which brings me to the fees. The IELTS exam currently is for 14,700 Indian rupees and this fees keeps changing. वो थोड़ा बढ़ाते रहते हैं हर बार, but right now it's 14,700 Indian rupees. So I mean you can keep reapplying but it's still a pretty big amount. So I would say that आप first time पे ही best score कीजिए. So usually आपको IELTS के एग्ज़ाम्स easily मिल जाते हैं but I would still recommend कि आप थोड़ा सा पहले बुक करके रखिए. Usually जब intake time पास आ रहा होता है, when application time is closer, तब slots मिलना difficult होता है. So I would say कि आप pre-book करके तो रख ही लीजिए. Now for the results, It takes around 1 to 2 weeks for the results to come in depending on the situation. कोविड के टाइम पे थोड़ा सा लंबा भी हो सकता है. सो अगेन डू एवरीथिंग इन एडवांस ताकि ऐसा ना हो कि यू आर प्लेइंग विद डेडलाइंस एंड यू आर वेटिंग फॉर योर रिजल्ट जब कॉलेज का डेडलाइन बंद हो रहा हो. सो डू दिस इन एडवांस एंड लाइक आई मैंशन 2 साल की वैलिडिटी है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी कि मैंने अब दे दिया एंड देन आई वोंट बी एबल टू गेट इन फॉर द नेक्स्ट इनटेक बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी वैलिड. सो गाइज टू सम इट अप, अकेडमिक आइल्स इज़ नॉट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट. बस थोड़ा सा एफर्ट लेना पड़ेगा एंड थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. आई टुक क्लासेस फॉर मे बी 2 weeks एंड आई फेल्ट दैट वाज गुड इनफ टू गिव माई एग्जाम्स. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, आपको कितना स्कोर करना है, व्हाट्स योर एम एंड हाउ मच टाइम यू कैन गिव टू इट. एंड ऑल्सो अनदर गुड थिंग इज़ दैट आइल्स के बहाने मेरी इंग्लिश एक्चुअली काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुई. सो दैट्स अनदर गुड पार्ट ऑफ गिविंग द आइल्स एग्ज़ाम. And that is it for today's video, guys. This is all you needed to know about the IELTS exam. I hope this video was informational. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, then drop them down in the comment section and I will try to answer them. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys again soon. Bye.